Karnataka's famed flower town, Gundlupet, has burst into its annual blooming season. Tourists get to check out sunflowers, marigolds, and amaranth flowers on their visit here. From soaking in the breathtaking scenery and capturing stunning photographs to exploring its quaint villages, Gundlupet offers plenty for its tourists. The farms are located on either sides of the highways here, and farmers charge between Rs 10 and 100 for tourists and their vehicles. There is no standard rate. While venturing into fields, do not pluck flowers or damage plants. Be a responsible tourist and follow the farmer's instructions.